Zdravo, welcome to the international community. Thanks for tuning in today. I'm Carvelli, Master of Finance. Our topic today is hiring a credit counselor, or sometimes referred to as a credit manager planner. The first thing I would try to do is find somebody who's a nonprofit, who's very reasonable, who'll give you an hour for free, who has reasonable rates outside of that, and who's willing to communicate with you in how you feel comfortable with. Email, phone, text, whatever it will be, because you're going to feel sometimes uncomfortable, but this is one thing I would highly recommend. When hiring a credit counselor or debt manager, you need to look at their accreditation, you need to look at their certification, and you need to make sure that they're willing to give you at least an hour of free time to help you out, and their rates, if they're reasonable. You got to shop around 6 places and see what type of rates they offer for the future after the first hour, right? Also, I'd recommend nonprofits. They're really good to help. Sometimes they won't charge along the way, sometimes they have to, but look at this, depends on the country, okay? Where a credit counselor or debt manager could really help you is with those joint credit issues, meaning you're getting divorced, separated, or you want someone off that car loan. This is a great area that could help you. Bankruptcy, Chapter 13, consumer proposal, many different names for this type of stuff, but they can help you deciding if you really want to do this, navigating through it, if it's worth it, how much money you owe, etc. Another area is judgments or collections, helping you coach through this. Also, mortgage defaults, another big area. Doing this also opens up the communication barrier, and you're getting it out and you're saying it and it's making it real, and it's going to help you deal with it. When you're with the credit counselor or debt manager, you're going to come up with a concrete plan, right? How to tackle the debt, or what trustee to see if that's the case, and they can still coach you through that. But more so, if you come up with that plan, you got to remember that you don't want to just get the plan and disappear. You want to be in contact with them constantly, going over it and over it. Set some dates every week, etc. So sometimes they'll charge a small fee. Once again, you got to shop around to at least 6 places, like I told you. Always shop around and see what the fees should be. But they can help you with those collection companies, those judgments, those harassing phone calls, dealing with the credit bureau, helping you, coach you every step of the way. It's worth it. You're having a quarterback in the background to help you, because sometimes it's intimidating to talk to people, and sometimes when you hire somebody, they respect those people more, and it's a better process. Keep in mind, these type of methods can have a negative impact on your credit and can restrict your credit. And if you hire a credit counselor or debt manager, you could be stuck with them a bit. So you really want to make sure that you get who you want. When should you see a credit counselor? I would say as soon as you realize you have a problem, don't wait. Get it going as soon as you realize your credit is on a down sliding slope. Does credit counseling affect your credit score? There's 2 answers to this question. No, not just for going to credit counseling, but some of the methods could affect your credit score, depending on how you strategize and what you're going to do about it. Remember to invest into financial literacy. I got a great ebook out. It's at masteroffinance.com. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. Follow us on Instagram. Like us on Facebook. Tell all your friends and family worldwide about us. I'm Carvelli, Master of Finance. Much love. God bless.